Both Bluetooth Low Energy and NFC RFID are wireless technologies broadly used in billions of devices, starting with simple toys and IoT gadgets through household appliances, smart locks, access control systems, payments, to medical and banking industries. We rely on them more and more, not only out of convenience, but also to protect our most valuable assets and ensure personal safety. Are these devices as secure as vendors claim? Or are we doomed, as daily headlines would imply? Find out yourself by gaining the unique and sought after skills to assess security of such devices. My name is Sławomir Jacek, and I love to research and share security aspects of new technologies. Join me in upcoming action-packed training where for Bluetooth Low Energy we will, among others, intercept packets from the air, perform remote relay and machine in the middle, capture BLE data on the phone, hack smart locks and payment terminals, abuse firmware over the air and crack pairing. We will also cover Web Bluetooth, Bluetooth 5, Mesh, and introduce multitude of Bluetooth-related vulnerabilities. And for NFC, following a short theory introduction, we will dive deep into practical exercises covering cracking and cloning many types of common tags using various techniques, hardware options, or just a smartphone. Reverse engineering hotel system to create master key that unlocks all the doors, and performing remote relay against latest secure technologies. And what's best, you will walk out being able not only to hack such devices yourself, but also with the included equipment to do it. Several editions are scheduled this year, both in person and online, suitable for various time zones around the world. Hope to meet you there.